Before we can level the bed, we need to prepare a file so that the file knows, or the slicer knows, that it will be using ABL to be able to make the item. So I'm going to go into Simplify 3D, and I've already imported the bed leveling X that you will be downloading. You just hit center and arrange, so that centers it on the bed, and it gives us a 1 layer thick. Now, we want to double check our settings and go to our processes. All these settings should just be what you've already put in for your printer settings. Right here, we'll just do bottom solid layer as 1, top solid layer 0, outline perimeter is 0. I have set these at 110, 150, and 50. Yours might be 120. It needs to be something over 100. So if yours is 80 or 90, I think some of them were set to that. We need to change that. For additions, we're not going to worry about anything. Extrusions, we're not going to worry about anything. Support, we're not going to add support. Temperature should be 60 for the bed, and on my case, 200 for the nozzle. Cooling, all that should be the same except for scripts. So we're going to go into scripts. And right after our G28, we need to hit enter and type G29E. I'm not sure what the E is for, but it was in the one I looked at and seems to work. So semicolon, ABL, auto bed leveling, and BLTouch. Now, Teaching Tech also suggested that we add a few lines here. So you might want to just make sure that yours match these. It seems to work pretty good, and that way, if it's doing goofy things that you had set up before, this might take care of it. Right? So that's the only code we need. It's just G29 tells it we're going to use auto bed leveling, and that should enable the things that we've enabled in our Marlin so that it'll work. So we're going to hit OK and slice, prepare to print. And you'll see here that if we zoom in on this, it just gives us 1 layer. Over here it says 441, but I have mine set on lines. If I click that to layer, it will change and show that we just have 1 layer. So it'll have this many lines in our layer, but it'll just be 1 layer thick. So hopefully once you get all of your leveling done and your sensors on cue, this will print out all nice. It'll be blended together well and no gaps between the lines. And if that's the case, you're set. You're ready to go ahead and print anything you want, and your ABL will set your leveling automatically.